All right, good morning. Welcome to the Howe Lot Restoration bid opening. It is March 31st, 2021, 10:05. The bids closed at 10 a.m. We started a little late just to see if we would get anybody else online to be witness to the bid opening. We have none. It's just myself and Director of Public Works, Joseph Flanagan. Before we get started, just to let everyone know that there was an addendum issued to the original bid on March 17, 2021. So as we go through these, we're going to be requiring that the addendum be acknowledged and signed off on a particular section of the contract. So we'll go through and open up the contracts that we have with us. We have 4, and we're going to go through them in no particular order. As I find my mail opener, here we go. First one is Argus Construction Corporation. Argus was timely. They responded with time. There is a bid bond attached. The addendum is acknowledged. It is signed. And we have a contract price of $117,000, 0 cents. $117,000 and 0 cents. Next is DeAngelis Fabric Ironwork Inc. DeAngelis Ironwork Inc. Bid bond is attached. It is timely. Timely bid bond. The addendum is acknowledged. It is signed. And we have a bid price of $139,800, 0 cents. Again, that's $139,800 and 0 cents. Next is Woven Steel Inc. They are timely and have a bid bond attached. The addendum is acknowledged. It is signed. And we have a bid price of $68,450, 0 cents. $68,450 and 0 cents. Final one is Neeland Construction Corporation. They are timely. There is a bid bond enclosed. The addendum is acknowledged. It is signed. And we have a bid price of $84,000 and 0 cents. $84,000 and 0 cents. So that puts our apparent low bidder as Woven Steel Inc. Second is Nealon Construction. And third is Argus Construction. We will be posting a copy of this this bid opening online later today, and we will also be posting bid tabs at some point this afternoon. So anybody who would like to get those can go to the Town of Dedham website, to the same place that you secured and downloaded the bid, to find the bid tab. I'd like to thank everybody and have a good day.